In this video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok repost option if it is not showing up for you. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. This will give you an overview of all installed apps. Next, scroll until you find TikTok and tap on it. To start fixing potential issues, tap on Offload app. This action will free up storage used by TikTok without deleting its data. Confirm offloading when prompted. Once this process is complete, tap on Reinstall app to download it again while keeping your existing content intact. After reinstalling, open TikTok and check if the repost option has returned. If it still isn't showing up, you may need to delete the app entirely. Go back to your iPhone storage settings and tap Delete app. Once deleted, exit out of the Settings app. Now head over to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type in TikTok. Find TikTok in your search results and install it back onto your device. After reinstalling from scratch, open TikTok once more. Navigate through your feed and check if the repost button is now visible. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.